Hey everyone, this is the brief on the crow's advantage, big picture clarity, which is actually the very first episode of our podcast from Cushiony Business Masters. So, here at Cushiony Business Masters, we see this thing happen, right? Where financial pros, you've got your clients' total trust for their biggest life goals, but somehow the day-to-day admin chaos just kind of swamps the big picture. We think it's absolutely critical to, get above that operational grind to really serve people well. Okay, first up, we're calling it ground level chaos. Sound familiar? Getting totally stuck just reacting all day. Maybe it's messy client onboarding or, oh man, contract filing nightmares. Spending hours chasing down invoices. Or basically needing a shovel every time you look for old data. Look, this isn't just inefficient, it's actually chipping away at trust, turning those relationships kind of transactional. Not good. So, second takeaway. The crow's advantage. It's all about getting that strategic perspective. Think about it, like a crow soaring way up high, seeing the whole landscape, spotting the patterns, the opportunities, even the dangers. Having that kind of elevation, that lets you make sharp, tactical moves while keeping that big picture view totally clear. We're talking clients, market chances, growing the business, the whole shebang. And finally, how do you actually get this crow's advantage view? Well, that's where automation creates crow-like intelligence comes in. Modern workflow systems, they basically give you that lift. They can turn every single client interaction into a chance to build trust, almost automatically. You get this systematic excellence. Things just run smoothly, precisely, and that frees you up for the really important stuff. Thinking strategically, doing that high-value advising. Want to really dig into elevating your financial practice with this crow's advantage? Go check out the full episode. You can find it on our Cushiony Business Masters website or wherever you usually listen to your podcasts.